for precision and microassembly, especially in optics. Highly precise dispensing processes are mandatory. In this video, we address the challenge of dispensing precise amounts of glue and other fluids in industrial microassembly in a repeatable way. AIXEMTEC has developed a solution which allows for calibrating the amount as well as the position of the dispensed fluid. Our solution combines a contactless jet dispensing system attached to a gantry with a target camera and our tool calibration unit. The calibration unit measures the volume of droplets and their XY position. For calibration, the integrated camera captures images of individual droplets in flight. The system calculates the volume from the measured diameter in real time. For position calibration, the gantry moves the dispenser during image acquisition. The position of the droplets in X direction, with reference to a fiducial, can be extracted from the images. The position in Y direction can be extracted, evaluating the depth of focus. This step completes the calibration process. Our portfolio also includes solutions for the alignment, feeding, and inspection of microparts. Contact us for further information. AIXEMTEC, precise, flexible, and productive assembly technology from Germany.